In this video, we are going to see how we can use BigQuery APIs to get Tron fees data for a particular account. All the API links will be in the description. You guys can test it out on ide.bitquery.io. By just signing up on IDE, you will get free 10,000 points for the first month for testing purposes. Select EAP here as Tron is in EAP right now. Select Tron and under transfers, select transfers. Then in where we will put our filters. First filter is going to be transaction status success to be true. And then the second filter will be transaction fee payer is and put the Tron address here for which you need to get the fees data. Now do the summation of transaction fee and give this an alias name of fees paid in TRX. We will get the fees paid. This is actually the total fees paid. I'll just change the alias name. Here it will be also total fees paid in USD by this particular fee pair. Now do summation of transaction fees in USD. Now run this query and you will get the aggregated fees paid by this particular fee pair. You can see the details and the total fees paid in TRX and in USD. Now just copy over this API to a new tab and now we will be getting the total fees paid in transfers for a particular currency. For that, just add in here the transfer currency and some details for the currency such as name, symbol, mint address, that means smart contract address. You can also select any of these details. Native, protocol name, has URI, asset ID. I'll just run this query with the following details and now I know that this particular fee pair paid this much amount of fees for the transfers of Tether USD. That means for USDT. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.